So my almond loaf bread is one of the most popular recipes I've ever posted. People love it because it's oil-free, gluten-free, and delicious. Of all the breads I make, it's also my favorite. And today, I'm going to show you how to make your own. All right, so let's talk about the ingredients we're going to use to make this delicious almond loaf bread. We're going to use some almond flour, of course. We're going to use some coconut flour. We're going to use some ground flax, some baking powder. Here I have some whole psyllium husk. I've got some apple cider vinegar, some applesauce, and some water. Now you may look at these ingredients and think, that's a high calorie bread, and that is the case, and I want you to know that. So if you're someone who's trying to lose weight right now, or trying to reduce calories right now, this may not be the best bread option for you. You could try my millet bread or my quinoa bread in my cookbook. But the reason that I'm doing this bread is because I posted this years ago as a short. I've never done it step by step, and it's always been popular. In fact, I've posted it 2 or 3 times, and it always gets a ton of views, a ton of likes, and a ton of positive response of people saying they've made it and they love it. And it's actually my favorite bread that I made, which makes sense. They kind of go hand in hand, high calorie, and it tastes even better. Now, it also has some coconut flour. I don't use coconut a lot because of the saturated fat, but I do use it from time to time. I maybe eat coconut 2, 3, 4 times a year or so. Now, I never use coconut oil, coconut milk, no kind of liquid coconut, but the coconut flour as well as a dry coconut flakes. Those are things that I do occasionally use, and I'm using it today. So again, almond flour, coconut flour, flax. It's going to be a high calorie bread, but it's a delicious bread. So if you're not someone who's worried about weight and calories, you ought to try this bread. I'm telling you, the taste is on point. So I just wanted to be very transparent about that before we get started, which is what we're about to do right now. All right, so now one thing that I love about making this particular bread is it's very straightforward, very simple. We're going to put all our ingredients in one single bowl, not a lot of different steps. It's really simple, really straightforward. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm going to start by adding my almond flour, coconut flour, ground flax, psyllium husk, and baking powder to my bowl and giving them a mix. All right, so now I've got my dry ingredients combined. Now I'm just going to add my wet ingredients and get them really saturated and mixed really well, and then we'll form it into our loaf. Okay, so here I started by creating a well in the middle of my dry ingredients. Then I'm adding my water, apple cider vinegar, and applesauce and mixing it until it comes together. Okay, so as you've seen, I've mixed my dough up really well. I've had it sitting for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and form it into my loaf and get it into my pan and in the oven. Now keep in mind that the shape that you form this bread in is the shape it's going to retain while it cooks. There's not going to be a lot of rising or expanding. So it's important that you shape it into a nice loaf shape if that's the end result that you want. And that's what I want. That's what I'm going to do now. So a tip here is that I find that using wet hands for this step helps to keep the dough from sticking to your hands while you shape the loaf. If you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe below. All right, into the oven we go. All right, so I've removed my bread from the oven, I've let it cool, and now let's cut into it. Now this bread is delicious as is, but some of you may prefer it toasted, but either way it's a simple and delicious bread to add to your repertoire. All right, I've cut it up, got it looking good, got it smelling good in here. You can smell a delicious aroma. This is my favorite bread. So if you haven't tried my almond loaf, you ought to give it a try. On point every time. Got to make your own. All right, if you're new to my channel and you're wondering how to find the recipes, look below the video and tap on the word more and you'll see the beginning of the recipe. Tap on the word more a second time and you'll see the full recipe, and then you can begin to make your own. Thanks for watching.